The first I call the story of the spaceship Earth. This is the story of human beings as stewards of the Earth, caretakers of a vulnerable space capsule. It's a relatively new narrative, not fully developed, but filled with excitement for young people. It's a story that evokes in young people a sense of responsibility and commitment. And it is a story that has the power to bind people. The story of the spaceship Earth makes the idea of racism both irrelevant and ridiculous. And it makes clear the interdependence of human beings and their need for solidarity. If any part of the spaceship is poisoned, then all suffer, which is to say that the extinction of the rainforest is not a Brazilian problem. The pollution of the oceans is not a Miami Beach problem. The depletion of the ozone layer is not an Australian problem. It follows from this, of course, that genocide is not a Bosnian problem, hunger not a Somalian problem, and political oppression not a Chinese problem. Never send to know for whom the bell tolls, John Donne wrote. It tolls for thee. If ever there was a narrative to animate that idea, the Earth as our one and only spaceship is it. Moreover, I need hardly point out that this story of global consciousness does not significantly conflict with any traditional religious beliefs. I am not aware of any deity who would take satisfaction in the destruction of the Earth, or for that matter, the disintegration of cities. One can be a Christian, a Muslim, a Taoist, a Jew, or a Buddhist, and yet be imbued with a commitment to the preservation of the planet. In like fashion, the story of the Earth as a spaceship does not conflict with national or tribal tales. It does not require that one reject or even be indifferent to one's national, regional, or tribal loyalties. One can be an American, a Norwegian, a Frenchman, or for that matter, a Lap, and without sacrificing one's tribal identity, can be enlarged by adopting the role of Earth's caretaker. This is an idea whose time has come. It is a story of interdependence and global cooperation, of what is at the core of humanness, a story that depicts waste and indifference as evil, that requires a vision of the future and a commitment to the present.